Don't you just love industry jargon, especially when it comes to online marketing? I mean, heck, even us digital marketers get tripped up on all these silly acronyms that are bantered about as if the whole world knows exactly what we're talking about, but in reality, it is an overwhelming, confusing mess. So in today's Amplify Business E-Tip, I'm going to focus on two of such acronyms that many people get tripped up about. One is SEO and the other is SEM. So I'm going to talk about what they mean, why they are different, and whether or not you should use them, especially if you're a service-based industry, if you should use one or the other or both. Hi, I'm Susan Friesen, web specialist, business and digital marketing consultant, and social media advisor, bringing you, the savvy business owner, these e-tips so that you don't have to feel so overwhelmed in this complicated marketing landscape that we all find ourselves in. Now, in a previous video, I talked a lot about SEO and what SEO was, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but as a recap, SEO basically stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it includes having optimized data on your website, such as optimized title tag, heading tags, meta description tags, alt tags on your images and things like that that are all filled with good keywords that your target market would be looking for. And then there is the well-written optimized copy that goes on your website that includes those keywords, that includes your blog posts and your static pages, any kind of content that is on your website. Then you want simple and well-formatted page URLs that also contain those keywords. You also want to make sure that your website is optimized for speed, and it is also optimized for smaller screens so that it is responsive. And you also want to make sure that you have social sharing capabilities on those blog posts so that your followers and fans can share your blog post to their followers and fans. And then there is also the high quality backlinks that you want to work on. And you also want to attract the social bookmarking websites such as Reddit and Dig and StumbleUpon. Now, SEM is a bit different. It used to be that SEM, which stands for Search Engine Marketing, was the bigger umbrella of all online marketing efforts, which included SEO. However, today, online marketers have a clear distinction between the two, even though they both have the same goal, which is to drive qualified traffic back to your website. So now SEM is the process of getting qualified traffic to your website through paid ads on search engines such as Google and Bing, whereas SEO focuses on all non-paid ads, your organic traffic. Now, the process of using SEM as part of your marketing efforts includes targeting specific audiences such as your geographic area, creating ad campaigns that target that group, and then writing relevant copy that will entice and compel your target market to actually click on that ad. And then you want to be monitoring continually those clicks and impressions and looking for conversions as a result of your SEM efforts. Now, SEO and SEM are truly full-time jobs. The search landscape is always changing and evolving, and there really is a game involved in trying to better your competition, and in the case of SEM, definitely wanting to get bigger returns for the least amount of your ad budget. The paid ads are commonly referred to as PPC, and yes, another acronym, I know. So PPC stands for pay per click, and there is also the PPI, which is pay per impressions. Now, paid ads allow you to be very specific in who you are targeting in those search engine ads. So with pay-per-click ads and pay-per-impression ads, we're not left to chance on hoping that our website returns higher up in those search engine results and relying on organic traffic. Instead, we have targeted ads that will appear in front of those people who are searching for that particular service that we're providing. Now, the question is, which is better, especially for service-based businesses? Should you focus on one over the other, or should you do both? In my opinion, every website must be SEO optimized. This really is the first thing that you should be focusing on. Get it up to snuff so that you are generating a healthy amount of organic traffic. Then investing in SEM, the ads part of it, is the most logical next step and the most important next step, where SEO takes care of the organic traffic coming to your website, which can increase as time progresses. SEM will get you much more immediate traffic and more quicker results. However, if you try to jump into SEM before optimizing your website first, your efforts may fall flat due to the poor quality and visibility in the search engine results pages. Now, of course, there's always an exception to that rule. SEM is very excellent if you are launching your website right off the bat. If you have a brand new business, it's great to drive traffic there immediately so that people know about it. It's great for launching brand new programs or service offerings. And SEM is also excellent for list building activities. And these examples are especially true for service-based businesses, especially if you are geographically based where you are 100% reliant on local traffic coming to your business. Geographically targeted ads will get you those quickest returns. But as mentioned, sending qualified traffic to your website that isn't properly optimized might not get you the ideal conversions that you really want to have. So if you do need to start with SEM to get things going, have your marketer also focus on SEO at the same time so that you can reap those rewards as well. So there you go. If you have a service-based business, especially if it is geographically based where you rely on local traffic, SEM is a definite must to complement your SEO efforts. So using both SEO and SEM at the same time will get you the ideal results that will drive targeted traffic to your website and help build your business. Now, I know that online marketing can be very overwhelming. It's hard to know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. And then couple that with social media marketing, and it's an overwhelming thought for any business owner. Agreed? So I invite you to come and check out my online membership group called Amplify Business Academy, where you will have access to a vast library of training videos that all cover social media and online marketing techniques and strategies. Plus, we also have a private Facebook group where you have a chance to ask any question that you have and have access to me for help in anything that you need help with. So go ahead and visit amplifybusinessacademy.com for all the details. And hey, if you're liking these e-tips as much as I'm enjoying providing them for you, show me some gratitude and hit the like button. And also subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube so that you will get notified with every new video that gets posted. And so that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.